How to copy text from a PDF in laptop. First of all, you have to get to the PDF from where you want to copy some text from. So let's get to the PDF first. Open up your folder and go to the PDF that you want to use. So once you're on your PDF, select that PDF and right click on it. So from this pop-up box, you have to click on Open With, and from here you have to choose Google Chrome. So click on Google Chrome. Now, once the PDF file is opened with Google Chrome, you can hover over your text. You can select the text that you want to copy. Now, all you can do is simply press Ctrl+C from your keyboard or right click on it and then click on Copy. Once you have copied, now you can open up any text box and simply paste it right here like this. So that's the way to copy text from a PDF in laptop, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.